This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, January 30th. Stock index futures trading higher this morning. The reports that we had at 7:30 were, for the most part, offsetting, with the gross domestic product in the fourth quarter increasing at an annualized rate of 2.3% when up 2.6% was expected. However, personal consumption expenditures annualized up 4.3%. This compares to the prediction of a 3.1% gain. So in the longer term view, it still looks like the bullish influence of prospects of a strengthening U.S. economy will more than offset the bearish influence of a Fed that is likely to be relatively slow to add to accommodation. Moving over to the currency markets, the dollar index coming under a little pressure today after in the overnight trade showing some strength and testing a major downtrend line. We had the European Central Bank at its policy meeting today, cutting rates by 25 basis points as expected. Also, we had Germany's gross domestic product falling by 0.2% in the fourth quarter. That compares to the guess of a 0.1% decline. And in the interest rate futures markets, seeing futures steady to a little lower at the front of the yield curve, higher at the mid curve and at the longer end of the curve. And it still looks like the Fed is on track to cut rates at its June policy meeting. This after the Fed kept rates unchanged at its meeting yesterday. So still looks like the Fed may be slow to move to accommodation, but still looks like there is at least one rate cut coming this year from the FOMC. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or ADM.